Happy Friday to you as well. Now, listen, one of the great litmus tests of interest rates here right now is the Aussie dollar. And right now, our dollar is telling you the talk of rising interest rates is really a long, long way off. Even with the mere whiff of rate rises, even 12 months ago, has scared the horses off in Australia. Retail sales have seen their biggest two-month fall in almost 7 years. Housing finance approvals, with the encouragement of regulators forcing interest rates. So you can see this across this period. The charts going up are basically retail sales going up in months and the ones going down. You can see towards the end here, you can actually see there's fewer house prices in the hottest property markets in the past 5 years. Sydney, they've also fallen. So the dollar, which remember just a few weeks ago touched 81.25 US cents, this morning sitting in the 77s. And despite the fact that none of these slowdowns is good for Australia's economic growth, you suspect the Reserve Bank is quite pleased with the outcome. The reason is a high dollar, though good for your overseas travel and online shopping, is normally terrible for the overall economy. Though even that's not quite right at the moment, with Australia last month recording its largest trade surplus. More goods were sold overseas than we imported. When I say goods, what I actually mean is iron ore, coal and gas. Lots and lots of gas going overseas. So what's that I keep reading about gas shortages? There's obviously plenty to go overseas. Anyway, the problem the Reserve Bank is, though it wants a lower dollar to make the economy more competitive, high commodity prices and strong exports naturally make our dollar rise. So the resources sector is kicking up at the moment, but after spending up big in the past 4 years, especially on new houses and cars on the eastern seaboard, households right now are in a bit of a funk. And that's because wages are not growing strongly and households are feeling the effects, which is another reason the Reserve Bank will not, cannot raise rates anytime soon. So the dollar weakens off and your online shopping gets a bit more expensive. Our dollar right now, 77.89 US cents. The Dow Jones still trading another new record, up 101 points.